classic example of somebody doing something improperly. After pulling out this insert, we discovered that somebody had broken through the header to get this thing to exhaust properly. Simply put, the insert itself is oversized for the actual firebox itself. As we can clearly see inside here, what they had to do just to get it to draft. After a lot of smoke spillage into the house, the homeowner realized that there was a problem. All right, so we opened this thing up. Obviously, as you saw in the previous segment, the damage that was done just to fit this thing. What we're going to be doing is removing this insert, okay, and we're going to be tearing out all this brickwork, okay. What we will do is we're going to build a small wet bar on the side here. We're going to reduce the size, recreate the header, okay, and have a brand new fireplace, okay. What went on here is a classic example of why you hire professionals to work on your fireplace. Do not hire your average mason. Do not hire your average carpenter. Don't hire your average handyman. You could burn your house down, okay? And as you can see, with all that spillage, all that smoke damage, these people have a serious problem, and they're lucky they didn't burn their house down. Right there, classic example of why you hire a professional. This house could burn down. Further inspection upstairs revealed more dangers. There's more than one layer, and the biggest thing that they have is we got that metal sleeve. If you can see, it's warped at the bottom. The reason why it's warping is because the grills that were put on here originally have been sealed off with masonry, and this firebox has been overheating. So more work for us. We have to cordon the area off because we have to protect the house from dust. You cannot control, you can only control dust. You cannot say that it's not going to happen. So at least if you take the steps necessary to protect the home prior to construction, this is where you start. Now, let me show you what we found when we tore out this chimney. Yesterday we did the rip out. Words cannot describe the stupidity of the individual who built this fireplace. They broke through the header, which gave about 4 inches of loose masonry. As you can see, the insert that was inside here, it was exhausting smoke to the bottom of this header, and it was splitting in 2 different directions. And part of it was coming up right through here, as you can see how blackened this is. Okay? Okay? This is all combustible material, and you can clearly see what was going on. This is a piece of asbestos shingle that's underneath it. That is the only thing that protected this house from going up in fire. If you look at the wood tongue and groove panels inside here, you see how darkened this is. Angie, over here, come on. You see this here? That is the first stage of combustion. It's called drying, okay? And if you look underneath, this is a heatilator. This is within a couple of inches of this wood. And your fire, when you're operating your fireplace, is right here. Here's your flame. And it's getting this metal up top red hot. which is drying this wood, which could lead to combustion.